Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm Lacquer Lover, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to paint my Agust D Daechwita inspired design. Start by applying base coat. I'm using unpeel off base coat, and as usual all the products used in this video will be listed in the description box. Paint your thumbnail a tan flesh tone and the rest of your nails black. On our black nails, take cling wrap to apply gold polish. Top coat this to smooth it over for the next step. On the index fingernail, start by drawing the handle of a sword. I'm using a dark gunmetal gray color. And then I'm taking a reflective silver chrome polish and drawing a horizontal starting from the index fingernail and going to the pinky. And I'm sure you could tell by now I'm drawing a sword. I decided to draw a sword because it is such an important item in the music video. At the end, it is certainly the highlight as the king dances around with it. It also shows that he has absolute power and that he can kill as he pleases. But there's also a change at the end, a switch when the prisoner takes the gun and shoots him instead, and it just shows a kind of overthrowing of a tyranny and this weird kind of internal battle that Agust D has with himself, where he was the prisoner and now everyone treats him like a king, but also the juxtapositions of those two very different versions of himself being so closely related. And on top you can see that I'm using a bright red polish to write the Chinese characters of Daechwita, pronounced as Daechwita, and it's just the sound signaling the entrance of the king or the emperor. I chose red to symbolize blood because that was another element in the video. Now that we're done, I'm top coating these nails to move on to the thumbnail. And on the thumbnail I'm going to be drawing Agust D's right scarred eye. I obviously use white polish to draw in the white of his eye, and the shape of this is kind of angled downwards because he's angry. I took this from the frame of him as the emperor, and now I'm adding the iris, the tear duct, and more highlight around the brow bone. Now I'm just touching up the iris and adding more shading and highlighting to allow the eye to stand out against the flesh tone. I also added tan for his eyeshadow and blended that in with white polish, and on top I'm adding his eyebrow. To allow everything to blend in more naturally, I also went in with the base color, and now I'm using black polish and a thin brush to line the top of his eye as well as the waterline. Now I'm just adding his scar with tans, browns, whites, and so on to add the appropriate highlighting and shadowing. Finally, seal everything in with top coat. And this is my finished Agust D Daechwita inspired design. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, as I am very satisfied with the elements that I combined for this look, and I also hope to see you guys in my future videos.